Hello dear students, in today's class I start with the second PU syllabus. In the second PU syllabus I will be handling with the track 2. So the chapters in the track 2 are, that is chapter number 9, ray optics and optical instrument, then it is the first chapter from the track 2. So chapter number 10, that is wave optics, chapter 11, dual nature of radiation and matter, chapter 12 atoms, chapter 13 nuclei, and the last chapter from the track 2, that is chapter number 14 semiconductor devices. In the track 2, the weightage chapters are ray optics and wave optics, and one more weightage chapter, that is semiconductor devices. So these are the weightage chapters from the track 2. Okay. So today I will start with the chapter ray optics and optical instruments. So first of all we have to know what do you mean by optics. Optics is nothing but it is the branch of physics and it deals with the study of light and its behavior. So today's class I start with the chapter, that is ray optics and optical instruments. Chapter number 9. Chapter 9. So that is ray optics and optical instruments. Optical instruments. See here, before that we have to know what do you mean by optics. Optics is nothing but it is the branch of physics and it deals with the study of light and its behavior. Okay, so now before discussing about ray optics and optical instruments, let us discuss what do you mean by light. What do you mean by light? What do you mean by light? ಸೊ ಲೈಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀವು ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ವಿಚ್ ಎನೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಅಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಲೈಟ್? Light is a form of energy which enables us to see the things around us. So it is a form of energy. It is a form of energy which enables us or which helps us, to see the things around us. To see the things around us. To see the things around us. Once again, what is light here? Light is a form of energy and which enables us to see the things around us. And another definition for light. So light is an electromagnetic radiation of wavelength range 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer. Another definition for light. Light is an electromagnetic radiation, means it is an, here it means light, it is an electromagnetic radiation. It is an electromagnetic radiation of wavelength range. Of wavelength range. Of wavelength range. Of wavelength range 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer. 750 nanometer. So once again, what is light? Light is an electromagnetic radiation of wavelength. Wavelength andra taranga dura. Of wavelength range 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer. Okay, it is the wavelength range of light. Then see here, the light, white light is made up of how many colors? 7 colors. White light ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವು? 7 colors. What are those colors? White light is made up of 7 colors. The points about the light here. White light is made up of 7 colors. So what are the colors present in the white light? What are those? So there are how many colors present in the white light? 7 colors. White light ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ? 7 ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? So in short form I will write Vibjar. Here there are how many colors here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ ವೈಟ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? 7 ಕಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, and it's here which is first color. The first color is violet. V stands for violet, I stands for indigo, B stands for blue, G stands for green, Y stands for yellow, O stands for orange and R stands for red. Once again, what is V here? V is violet color. Next, what is I? I is indigo color. I is indigo. Next one, B. B is blue color. G is green color. And after G, Y. What is Y? Y is yellow color. And then O is orange. O is orange. And last one, that is R, that is red color. That is red color. So here the colors are arranged in the order of increasing wavelength. So see here, V to R, the wavelength increases here. So in these 7 colors, violet color having the shortest wavelength and red color having the longest wavelength. So violet having the shortest wavelength. Violet color the wavelength shortest ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಅತಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ಗೆ ಲಾಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ wavelength of the red color is longest. Okay, so these are the 7 colors present in the white light. Okay, then once again, what is light? Light is a form of energy which enables us to see the things around us. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿನ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ? So light ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. And also another definition for the light. Light is an electromagnetic radiation of wavelength range 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer. Otherwise you can write 4000 angstrom to 7500 angstrom. See here, 400 nanometer. 1 nanometer means 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. 1 nanometer andre ಎಷ್ಟು? 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. See here, 400 nanometer is the wavelength of violet color and it is the shortest wavelength. 400 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. We have to write this wavelength is in angstrom. 1 angstrom is 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. 1 angstrom andre ಎಷ್ಟು? 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. Means we have to write this 10 to the power of minus 9 in terms of 10 to the power of minus 10. So that is why I will write 400.0 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. So I will displace this decimal point after 1 digit in right direction. ಈ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ದಾಗ 1 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂತರ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 4000 into, so after how many digits the point is displaced? After 1 digit. Means we can write 10 to the power of minus 1. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ನೀವು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 10 to the power of ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 10 to the power of ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ನೀವು ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ದ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂದರೆ 10 to the power of ಮೈನಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂತರ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ? 1 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂತರ, ಅಂದರೆ 10 to the power of minus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. So 10 to the power of minus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 9. So that is 10 to the power of minus 10. So bases same ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಪವರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 4000 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. 10 to the power of minus 10 meter is nothing but angstrom. So that is 4000 angstrom. So what is the wavelength of violet color? That is 4000 angstrom in terms of angstrom. And in terms of nanometer, that is 400 nanometer. And what is the wavelength? This is wavelength of violet color. ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ. ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎದರಲಿಂದ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾಲಿಂದ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ wavelength of red color, that is how much? 750 nanometer. Sometimes we will take 800 nanometer. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು 750 nanometer ಅಥವಾ 800 nanometer ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಂಗ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 7500 ಆಂಗ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಮ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದಿ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್, that is 7500 angstrom. So once again listen here, which color having the shortest wavelength? Violet color having the shortest wavelength. And which color having the longest wavelength? Red color having the longest wavelength. And there are how many colors present in the white light? 7 colors. What are those colors? In serial order. So violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. And here the colors are arranged in the increasing order of wavelength. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ತರ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಅದು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ನಾಗ ನಾವು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ದಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಎನಾರ್ಮಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3 × 10⁸ ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯೂಮ್. ಇನ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿರ್ವಾತ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಫ್ರೀ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಲೈಟ್. Next point about the light. The speed of light means light having enormous andra ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಐತಿ ಲೈಟಿಗೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್. ಲೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ enormous speed in nature, enormous speed in nature, and its value is about. So the speed of light can be represented by c, that is c equal to 3 × 10⁸ meter per second, and this is in vacuum. This is in vacuum, but the speed of light is different in different media. That is different in different media. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್. So but the speed of light in vacuum is how much? That is 3 × 10⁸ meter per second. Remember this point, this is very important. So this is the speed of light in vacuum, and the light travels along the straight line, or the light propagates along the straight line. Light propagates along straight line. So that is why we are going to take the light as a ray. ಲೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ರೇ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಪಗೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಪಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಲೈಟ್. ದಿ phenomenon of light are, the very important phenomenon of light are, in this chapter we are going to discuss the phenomenon of light are refraction, reflection, dispersion, scattering of light. The phenomenon of light are, or the phenomenon related to the light are, what are those? First I will write reflection. ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲನ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ ನಾವು, ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಕ್ರೀಭವನ, ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ dispersion, and one more, scattering. So these are the important phenomena related to the light. So what are those? Reflection, refraction, dispersion and scattering. So already you studied about this reflection, refraction, dispersion and scattering in 10th. Okay, now in next class we are going to start with the topics now. The first topic from this chapter is reflection, next refraction, next dispersion, and at last scattering of light.